Greetings, wonderful viewers. Today, I'm excited to guide you through an essential skill, creating UDP request configurations from UDP custom websites. Before we begin, remember to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful tutorials like this one. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the UDP custom website. Upon arrival, you'll find yourself on the home page. Look to the left side of the screen and locate the menu button. Click on it to reveal various options, including the UDP Custom and UDP Request Configs menus. Next, access the UDP request files by selecting the corresponding menu option. You'll see a submenu with choices like the latest configurations for today's uploads or the recent files for items uploaded up to last week. Take your time to browse through the list of configurations available. Once you find the one you need, proceed to download it. The file will be saved to your download folder promptly, ready for use. In conclusion, creating UDP request configurations from specialized UDP websites is a straightforward process. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing for more content. Happy browsing until we meet again.